Welcome. My name is Dr. Yvonne Murray Laria, and I am going to be your guide on this journey. And our first step on this journey is being able to recognize. We're going to be talking about self-awareness skills and your social emotional wellness. So let's get started. So you will learn about our definition of wellness, social emotional wellness, rheumatoid process, and the definition of self-awareness skills or competence. As air is to life, so are social emotional competencies to relationships. They are like the air we breathe, and we need air to stay alive. We breathe, and the same way we need the air to stay alive is the same way we need social emotional competencies to have healthy relationships. And this quote is by Dr. Yvonne Laria. So, what is wellness and what is health? It is a choice of lifestyle marked by a balance of body, mind, and spirit. Our definition of social emotional wellness. This is framing everything that we're going to be learning in this workshop, this 5-part workshop. And so social emotional wellness is a person's ability, it is your ability to recognize, understand, manage, express, and reflect on your thoughts, interactions, mindsets, and emotions as you relate to yourself, to others, and in all different types of situations and circumstances in life. And you will notice that the letters that are read form the acronym rheumatoid. And so effectively utilizing the rheumatoid process educates, equips, and empowers individuals of all ages, stages, and locations to successfully navigate daily activities such as loving, learning, earning, relationship building, problem solving, and adapting to the demands of growth and development. So we're going to define now the rheumatoid process, and that is a 5-step, culturally responsive, social emotional problem solving strategy that supports you as an individual as you move from a position of intra and interpersonal imbalance to intra and interpersonal balance, and from unconscious living to conscious living. And we call people who rheumatize or engage in the rheumatoid process, we call them rheumarizers or rheumarizees. So recognize is aligned with the social emotional competence known as self-awareness. Okay, so recognize in the rheumatoid process is aligned with self-awareness skills. And here's a quote by Leo Buscaglia. The hardest battle you're ever going to fight is the battle to be just you. In the CSS framework, recognize means to see, to identify, admit, acknowledge, and list. Okay, so these are some of the verbs that the self-awareness skill is aligned with. Here is our definition of self-awareness. It is your ability to accurately recognize and understand your emotions, your thoughts, your mindsets, your beliefs, values, goals, ambitions. And also, it also helps you to honestly evaluate and assess your strengths, your weaknesses, while you're seeing the relationship between your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions, and the impact that these have on you and on others. So here's some prompt questions as you begin to rumorize to a place of balance, to a place of conscious living, to be able to problem solve. Here are some prompt questions that you would ask yourself in this recognized plot. First, you want to ask yourself a question about your thoughts. What thoughts have dominated your mind about yourself, others, and the triggers in your story or the characters in your story? Then you want to ask yourself some questions about your interactions or your behaviors. Who are the people that have been supportive, non-supportive to you in your story? How have you been supportive or non-supportive to yourself in your story? Then you want to ask about your mindsets. What is your general attitude or mindset about yourself and others in your story? And then you want to ask about recognizing your emotions, recognizing, identifying those emotions that you have experienced that have been the most pervasive or common in your story? What are the emotions or feelings of the others in your story? Okay, so this is the first set of prompt questions that you are going to use or utilize to help you as you start this journey and as you move throughout. All right, so you want to recognize your thoughts, interactions, your mindsets, and your emotions.